Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to repair your Duolingo streak, step by step. Let's begin. First things first, we need to identify the exact date you lost your streak. To do that, open the Duolingo app and tap on the fire icon with a number next to it. This will take you to your Streak Center, where you can see all the details about your streak. Now, scroll down until you find the Calendar section. Here, you'll be able to see exactly when you lost your streak. Next, exit the Duolingo app and head over to your device's settings. Go to Date and Time settings. Now, before we change anything, turn on airplane mode. This is important because we'll be changing the date on your device, and we don't want any internet interference. After that, turn off the Set Automatically option for the date and time. Now, manually set the date to the day you missed your Duolingo lesson. For example, if you lost your streak on March 2nd, set your device's date to March 2nd. Next, go back to the Duolingo app and complete any lesson, it doesn't matter which one, just make sure you finish it. Since we're offline, the app will store this progress locally. After completing the lesson, go back to your date and time settings. Turn Set Automatically back on and turn off airplane mode. Once your device is back online, open Duolingo again. Your lesson should sync and your streak should be restored. Now, if you lost your streak more than one day ago, you'll need to repeat this process for each missed day. For example, if you lost your streak on May 31st, after completing the lesson for May 31st, change the date to June 1st, complete another lesson, then June 2nd, and so on. Keep doing this until you've covered all the missed days. And that's it. That's how you can repair your Duolingo streak step by step. Thanks for watching.